We're about to take it off. Does it eat? It eats. I'm very good. Big ups to DOSSIER for this portion of the video. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 boxes today, so we have 3 fragrances. So the first one is called Floral. It's called Floral Honeysuckle, inspired by Gucci Bloom. I normally get this one from my dad because he loves it. He actually took another one from me when I went to visit him the other day because I didn't get any of these back. So I just gave him one that I had and he was like, this one smells good too. And it's the floral sandalwood that I keep telling y'all about. Moving on, the next one I have is, I love this one. This is Gourmand White Flowers, and this is inspired by Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. This is what she looks like. Very cutesy, very demure. Smells very good and very girly. I even like when people pass out of club video. But yeah, this one is a very light floral scent. It's not too overbearing. It's a nice everyday scent, in my opinion. Next up, we have the crowd's favorite. I don't know why y'all go so crazy for this one, but y'all keep going crazy for this one. And this one is Amber Saffron, inspired by Baccarat Rouge. Tried and true, tried and true. So yeah, those are the 3 scents that I got, and I have one more thing in here, which is a diffuser. I already know it's a diffuser because I've ordered a diffuser from them before, and this is in the scent Ambery Vanilla. So this is what it's supposed to look like when I set it up. When I set it up, I'll show you guys what. Yeah, this is it. And then you put the reeds in, and then it smells up the place. Love this for me. Don't forget to use my code Shelby5 or Shelby10, whichever one works at this moment, so you can get a percentage off your order. And thank you so much to DOSSIER. Clock it. Back again in the marina. We're about to take it off. Hi, what's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today, tonight, we're gonna go to a new restaurant. They're having their grand opening launch thingamajig, and they invited me and a +1, so me and Care Bear are going. Thank God, because I was about to cook and I didn't want it. So it's a new Indian restaurant. Wait, name Bum. I just want to tell you name. I do not want to butcher the name. I need to hurry up and get ready. So they invite me today. You know, reading is fundamental. Reading is very fundamental. When I tell you guys, my brain kind of go through it. My brain kind of go through it. Let me turn on the light. Tell me why on the little flyer that they sent, it said October 23rd from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And I was like, sure, I'd love to attend. Da, da, da. Not realizing that today is October 23rd. Tell me why they messaged me probably like a good 15 minutes ago, and they were like, okay, just let us know in advance so we can prepare the dinner for you, etc, etc. So when me see that now, I said, wait, hold on, today something? Didn't plan for that, so now I have to find something to wear. It's now probably 7:50. I need to be ready by 8:30. Yeah, I'm going to do very minimal makeup, probably just mascara and some concealer and blush. But me know how me stay. I'm gonna do mascara, concealer, blush. I'm gonna end up the foundation. I'm gonna end up the contour. I'm gonna end up do a nice little lip. And I still have nothing to wear, so I need to find an outfit. Honestly, it's gonna be something I've probably worn a million times because, you know, I don't really have my whole closet here, and I do not feel like going home to find something to wear. And I'm gonna look like that. I'm gonna take a shower. Hopefully I'll be done by 8:25 so I can go and pick up Carrie and then we can go. I'm gonna put the camera on charge in the meantime. Yeah, alright, I am ready, and it is 8:34, and this is what my face is looking like. I can't tell you when last I did a face like this. I think it eats. I need to go into proper lighting to see. Does it eat? It eats. It eats. Yeah. She eats. I'm just gonna wear my Tories. I'm just gonna wear my Tory slides. Honestly, my can't bother. This is the fit. Very simple, and I'm just gonna wear Look at tour verse Jesus because we're always see me now. We need to go. We need to go. We're late, but we're rich.
Shelby was the late one. Just putting that out there.
Not really.
I've been ready from 8:30, sitting on my. I have to ask.
Yes, you can. I live up it of a distance away.
Oh yeah.
Arian, I was ready.
Bro, you take 20
From
minutes.
8:30.
Yes.
What happened?
You're never going to the car same time. Shelby is a speed driver.
Well, if I eat that driver, did it from me? Yeah, I'll make sure I go around the game just a middle road.
Because normally you're like,
Out of there. Anyways, we're at the restaurant with him.
oh my god, babe, Darbar J.A.
By Nirvana.
By Nirvana.
Right?
It's a vibe.
Yeah.
I like it.
I can't done the drinks though because it's strong. I hope y'all can hear me. I know I have a lot of editing to do. But yeah. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna get some food and some other drinks. I'll touch back with y'all.
Oh, makeup. Oh my god, guys. I started using one size setting powder. And I don't know, it kind of made my face look dry.
It is better using a moisturizing setting spray.
Because I use the one size setting spray. No, it's dry.
No, what would I use? Skin is dry? Why you use one?
Because it makeup together. When we come over, sir.
No. I'm dry skin, and I use one size powder plus one size setting spray. The setting spray looks for me like hairspray. And I use that with the powder. Explain quickly. You can't. You can't. Cut the cameras.
When the sun comes out, sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes, she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You leaving got no effect, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better now. I don't wanna do it till I get the gist. Some people want you, baby. I want the break, so the break shot.
Hello gentle folks, good morning. Today I'm going to Victoria Mutual because I have some money to collect. I just need to make an account. I really just need to make an account, but I just hate the process of making accounts, like bank accounts in Jamaica. They want to kidney them, some liver, piece of your fingernail, add them something there, and I just cannot be bothered. Like, I can't bother to ask around who has a Victoria Mutual account so I can use them as a reference and all that stuff. Like, I don't have time. I don't have time for all of that. Yeah, I'm rather just to pick up the money cash. You guys know an easier way to get money off of your PayPal onto your card? Please let me know, because sometimes this is what I have to do. I know of another way, but that take too much of a fee. So more want one way, don't take so much of a fee. Like, can you believe every time I draw my $4,000 them take? No, that could buy me something nice. Could I give me a nice little lunch? The parking lot is full. So I literally came to Knutsford because I couldn't find any other parking, and I hate coming to New Kingston. It's just always so full. So I literally had to come all the way to Knutsford Park, and I'm gonna walk to the Victoria Mutual. I'm gonna put my shades on. Even though people can't see me, but rather when me not see them. You know what I'm with? I'm gonna go do that and come back. Hopefully the money transfer part is working, because every time I come here, like, oh, the money transfer part isn't working. What do you mean? It's almost 11 o'clock. I have a lash appointment at 2. Today's gonna be a busy day. I need to get something to eat. So after this, I'm either gonna go home and make breakfast or get something on the road. But the thing is, I don't really want to get something on the road, because what I get on the road is something I could make at home. So let's go do what we gotta do. Tell me why The money transfer isn't working. It's like I knew it. I walked all that way for no goddamn reason. It's okay. I'm just gonna go to another one, and if that doesn't work out, then we'll have to do this tomorrow. Cause yeah, let's just go. Let's just go. Guess what, guys? My lashes are done. They look so good. So I like them. I like them very minimal, you know. I don't like those long lashes anymore. Like I was watching some of my old YouTube videos, and why was I wearing those 25mm lashes? Why was I wearing those Jonker wings on my eyes? And I was about to say, you couldn't tell me, but you know, in the comments, y'all did. Y'all did tell me, and I was like, I don't care. It's okay, you live and you learn. You live and you learn. But I love these. Yeah. Anyways, I don't even want to talk about how long it took me to get a little money. I had to leave the VMBS in New Kingston, and I had to go to Ligani. The exact same thing that I knew was gonna happen happened. Then I had to stand up in that line for so long, and then when I got to the top of the line, they're like, oh, that money isn't here. And when I checked, I had to double check, and then the thing said, oh, this payment won't be available until October 30th. So I refunded it. I had to do it again and then rejoin the line. If I don't laugh, I will cry. So anyways, we will not be crying over spilt milk. I got it even though a bag of fees were taken out because of all the transactions. Blah, blah. Who cares? I can do what I need to do. And now I am over Shanida because them have games night tonight. One thing I don't know how them can have event. So you know, mighty God of Daniel. I'm not tired. I'm not rest. But it's okay. I don't really have anything doing today. And it's not like I want to go out like that tonight anyways. So I don't mind a little inside par. Yeah. So I will talk to you guys when it's game time.
Tell them I'm moving units, my videos, they gon' view it. But if I ain't got a lot, they really streaming my music. I give bitches the crown, they fuck around and lose it. Nah, I am no wave, I only wave when I'm telling them bye. Bitch, we ain't tending.
Here we are, guys! That was horrible.
Morning. No, it's afternoon now. I feel like I look like a real rasta this morning because, you know, the dreads are just out and about. So I went out with my sister last night because I didn't get to go to her actual birthday thing. Long story short, ended up going bar and came in late, and when I got home I realized that my stink of smoke, bathe and everything. I realized it's in my hair. This is irritating me very badly, so yeah, I'm just annoyed. And then this morning I woke up with the realization that I am sick. I have some type of infection, the flu, something. At first I thought I was just exhausted, but then I realized that my throat is sore, my body is weaker than usual, and yeah, we need this to go like ASAP. I'm at my shipping company. Let me go pick up what I gotta pick up. I don't even know what I have to pick up, but I just wasn't pick it up. I don't even want to hear my bill. I don't even want to hear my bill at this point, because I'm just a girl. Honestly, I'm just a girl. I'm so tired of spending money. Watch the ads. Watch the ad. I'll be back. I got my packages. Not all of them though. There's one that's too big for this car. So we're gonna see what these other stuff are. What are these things? What did I get from Amazon? Oh, I know what this is. This is what I think it is. Yeah, I needed a new SD card. This one that I've been using is not the best. It was on sale, and this is a 128 gig SanDisk one. I restocked my Polaroid film, so remember to shop at the Seashells abode if you want some Polaroid film or you want some home decor. I'll be updating the page soon with some other stuff that I have, but yeah. This one, I think this is a wig, and I have to do promo for them as soon as possible. But the thing is, I don't know how that's gonna work because I don't want to pull out my hair. I don't want to pull out my hair, and I literally said to myself, I'm going to attempt to put the wig over these locks. If you see me do that, don't laugh at me. I just come after do right. Yep, and it's straight here. I remember asking for straight. Boy, 24-inch straight here. I don't know how I'm gonna put that, or I'm gonna put this over my locks, but we're gonna figure it out together. And the last package that I have, I think I know what this is, but I was expecting something else. I'm actually gonna go back in there and see, because there's one more package that I'm supposed to have that I don't have, but I think I know what's in here. I haven't gotten these in a while. But yeah, I need to check, because Jesus, I'm going to ask about it. Did I tell you this was missing? So I just picked that up, but I will not unbox that one in the car. That's a bit much. So I have a promo to do, so I need to go. I might go buy one patty too, just because. Oh no, but the young man buy breakfast, so I need to call him and ask him if that is ready, so I can just go to the studio and pick that up. I really need these cars tinted, these windows tinted. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired of people looking at me and staring at me. I'm shy. I'm gonna have to be looking at my phone, pretending like I'm doing something, or I'm talking to somebody on my phone, so I don't look crazy. But yeah, I'm starving. My belly hurt me. I need a pharmacol and flu expeditiously. I feel so bad. Well, mom just said about the food. Okay. I knew this was gonna happen. So now I gotta go to the studio and wait a little bit until the food gets there, because that's where the food is being delivered. I literally just lost my energy a while ago. Like, I was kind of fine, and then all of a sudden my energy level just dropped. But yeah, we're gonna go to the studio, and I will talk to you guys either when I'm unboxing the stuff or something. Yeah, we're done that one. Bye. Alright, so it's raining, as you can clearly hear, but I still want to open up this package. So that's exactly what we're going to do. But I'm curious to know what's in here. Remember the Shein thing that I was showing you guys a couple vlogs ago? Probably maybe 2 or 3 vlogs ago, I was ordering some Shein stuff. The freeness? Yes, this is it! So first up on the list, I'm not gonna open this because I don't feel like putting it back. This is number 2. This is a storage thingy to go under my kitchen sink, because I want to put my cleaning supplies under there. So I'm not opening this either right now. I got one of these for my utensils. Yeah, I will not be opening right now. I just want to see what's in there. When I get to my house, then I'll do a proper unboxing and show you guys everything in detail. But right now, no. Clothes. Ooh, these are to go in the fridge. They're actually bigger than I thought. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll get back to that. Okay, this I will put together, but give me a second to do that, because that is staying here. Oh, this is the wrong thing. This is for my fridge or my cupboard. I think these are the other stuff for my fridge. So these are the storage container things, so I can keep stuff organized. I wish it had a cover though. Guys, you know, you cannot hear me, or cannot hear me well, but I'm gonna put this up together. Well, I'm gonna put this together now, and then put it in the bathroom. done. The only thing I don't really love about it is the fact that it's kind of like a creamish color in person online. Well, in the camera it might show that it's white, maybe, I don't know, but it's more of a beige, more of a cream color. I don't really love that, but we're gonna just work with it. I don't know what these clips are for, but I don't know. And why are they black? Why are they not white? Like, she pisses me off sometimes, you know, because why would I? That makes no sense! That's how this looks. I'm gonna put it in the background. That's it for the little unboxing, okay? I'm going to put these back up and start on my promo video. The thing is, the way I wanted to do this video, I wanted to go outside. And now I can't, so I have to improvise because there's raining cats and dogs. I will talk back to you guys a little bit later. I knew I forgot something. I forgot to go to the pharmacy and buy the pharmacool and flu. Oh, not gonna lie. Talk to y'all soon. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today is the day I'm gonna be making my bed. So I got my bed yesterday, but I was on the road doing a couple errands and stuff, so I didn't have the time to do it, and by the time I got home I was way too tired, and I knew that this would take a lot of effort and energy, and I don't really have that right now, but we're gonna make some shake. This is what the box looks like. As you can see, it's quite big, you know, and I just know that these pieces are heavy. I know these pieces are heavy, so let's get straight into it. I do not have a screwdriver. I forgot to get a screwdriver, and I feel like I'm going to need one. Hopefully one is in there, cause but let's just get to work, yeah? You see them something I talk about after I work so hard and as soon as I'm finished. Watch out. You're comfortable though. Right, give me a minute, let me just sweep out in here a little bit and then show you the final results. Today drained me.
can cry.
Alright guys, this is what my bedroom is looking like right now. Okay, I don't have any fancy montage and nothing like that to give you guys. I'm tired. I don't even know how long this actually took me. I've been here for a couple hours. Well, wow, 11:34. So I started this at 11:34 and it's 2:03. Eventually, I think I finished a little bit after maybe almost 2 o'clock. I was like sweeping out the room and changing the sheets and all of that stuff. So this is what we got. In here feels a lot smaller now. It's weird because it's not like it took up space, because this is where the mattress was all this time, but it just feels a lot more, I don't know. And it's not even as echoey anymore, or maybe I'm delusional. This is it. The doll is not sleeping on the floor anymore. I need to get curtains and a new mat, because you know the thinking mat was just here as a placeholder, but I don't think the thinking mat can really stay here, especially because it's circular. Don't know why I bought the circular mat, really and truly. I also got catfished. This is not what the mat was supposed to look like, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm literally cut it halfway. I literally cut it halfway like this, just so it could kind of go with my sheets, as well as my little chest of drawer over there with the gray and the black. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. That's pretty much it. I don't think I have anything else to say to you guys. The only thing I'm gonna do now is just put on my diffuser that I got from DOSSIER. Yay! So here can at least smell good. And that's it. If you got this far in the video, please comment a bed. Comment a bed emoji. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!